Hello viewers, in this quiz we are going to discuss on how to determine the LCM of 30, 24 and 60. So we have 30, we have 24 and we have 60. So we will start with the least common multiple is 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15, 24 divided by 2 is 4, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Then that is also divisible by 2. 15, it will remain 15 because it is not a factor of 2. 4 we have 6, 30 divided by 2 we have 15. When we proceed to 2, this will remain 15 because it's not a factor of 2. 6 will become 3 and this will still remain as 15. Then we have 2, we have 3, 3 we have 5, we have 1 and we have 5. And last but not the least, we have the last factor which is 5, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM is equal to 2 cubic multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. That is equivalent to, that is 24. 2 to power 3 is 8 and 3, 24. 24 multiplied by 5 is equivalent to 120.